Thirsty Beaver?
Lower?
Lower Thirsty Beaver.
Yeah.
Black.
Okay.
Diamond.
Not really, but I can't remember. Jamal! Yeah, it's like North Shore Cumberland right here. There's some cool wood stuff. Oh yeah. Luckily it's not raining, so it's not wet, but it's a cool trail. That was fun. Oh yeah. This is some fun stuff. Cool little roller. Oh, this is cool. Ooh, nice little steep shot. Shoot. Oh, the bridge shakes. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, that's nice. Oh my God. Oh yeah. I haven't ridden this trail in a long time. A little climb. Ooh, this section's fun. There we go, Thirsty Beaver.